I'd like to quickly tell you about the support that was announced yesterday by the government. This is support for businesses. Firstly, I want to tell you about the new self-employment grant that will be paid in December. You can apply for this on 30th of November. The amount that will be paid is 55%. It's a combination of 80% for 1 month and then 40% for 2 months of profits. It's the same as the last two grants. This is the third grant of that type. The next thing I'd like to tell you about is the bounce back loans. If you've got a bounce back loan already but you didn't take the full amount, you're able to top up what you took to the full amount that you were eligible for. That's 25% of turnover is the maximum you can take, up to £50,000. So it's a one-off opportunity to take more money. But remember, I'm calling it an opportunity, but you're borrowing money. So it's an opportunity to increase your debts. Have a good think before doing that about whether your business is a business that will be able to repay that, or whether what you might be doing, unfortunately, is delaying a very difficult decision. If you're struggling with that decision, please get in touch. I'll happily talk you through it and help you see it from a different perspective, hopefully helping you to make the best decision you can at a difficult time. The final thing I want to tell you about is furlough. Furlough is now continuing, as you probably know. It is going to pay out 80%, government will pay 80% of an employee's wages for time that they cannot work. You can keep someone on, you can give them some hours, and you can use the furlough scheme to pay 80% of the hours they do not work. So it makes it much more flexible than the previous schemes. You must have told the government about the employee you're putting onto furlough by the 30th of October. So if you have someone who's on last month's payroll and you did tell HMRC on time by doing an RTI submission about the payroll, then they will be eligible for furlough and you can make a claim for them. That scheme is now open, but it's going to be, I think, a week before before they open the gateway to start claiming the money. That is the one that will, if you get your application in time, should give you the money before you have to pay your staff. For more information on the coronavirus support that's available from the government and any other support that we become aware of as well, please have a look to our website, because we've got a feed on there that's listing everything, and we're trying to explain it in plain English, or pictures if we can, to make it as easy for you guys to understand as possible. In return, I'd ask a favour. If you see something that we're not covering, please let us know. If there's something that would make it easier for you to understand, or if we're missing the point and actually your question is something completely different, please tell us. We want to give as much support to our community as we can using that webpage. Anyway, let us know if you need any help that we haven't covered in this video, and I hope you're all doing okay.